Tired of dead phones? The Anker PowerCore 20000 is your ultimate solution for power on the go. This incredible portable charger holds a massive 20,000 mAh, meaning your iPhone can get over 6 full charges. Imagine a full week of power for your devices on a single charge, perfect for travel or busy days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any connected device. With dual USB ports, you can charge your phone and a tablet simultaneously without sacrificing speed or safety. Forget slow, bulky power banks. This compact powerhouse is arguably the best portable charger you can get in 2025. It's built with premium components for superior durability and reliability, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. If you're looking to buy the Anker PowerCore 20000, check the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Seriously, for anyone needing consistent, fast power on the go, this Anker portable power bank is an absolute game changer. Don't get caught with a dead battery. Grab your Anker PowerCore 20000 today. You won't regret this essential tech upgrade.